what do you mean by the singleton in Java? So what do you mean by the singleton? In the basically, it is saying that creating only one object or a one instance of a class. That is when singleton. For an example, this is the real world analogy I'm going to tell you. Understand it with the better capabilities of you. Now, imagine there will be a three child or a three sons, whatever, and their dad want to build a house to live. Now, the dad makes the plan with an engineer that how many rooms should be there for the three childs. Whatever the class or the blueprint is ready. Now the home class is ready. Okay. Now after the creation of one house, now the child one will come and ask with the dad that dad I want a new home. And rest of the three child also come and ask the dad that I want a new home. So dad will say, no, no beta, I will not create or not build the each different house for you, each and everyone. So what does the dad says? You can three of the children can live in a same home. That is what the real singleton concepts in Java. Okay, let us code through the programming how does it will be created so that you want to understand or you want to create these three steps. What is that? Creating a singleton involves the three core steps. One is making the constructor is private to block external initialization. Now, second step is private static variable to hold the instance. And last one is providing the public static method, okay, to access. If you block the constructor, then how you will create? So let us understand. So first thing I will make private the default constructor. Okay. Now I will create a private so that no one can access outside the class. Private static home reference variable. Okay. Now I will create a method to create the house or an object. Only one. I will block it there. See, public static. Because without creating this home object, we're gonna create through the method. We can give any name and return type is home. You can get any name for the method, get instance or get home. For my thing, I will give my home, my dad home. Okay. Now I will give a condition here. If the home is equal to null, means currently if it home is not built, then create it. New home, and that is stored inside this reference variable. Okay. Now return the same home or a house, we can say. Why? See here, understand this best of your capability. Here I written a method. In this method I used static because you don't have to create this object. Okay. Then the return type, the same home you want to return. This is the name of the method. Now, if the home is currently not built, then you're gonna build it, the home. If the child one comes and asks, then don't build a new home. Return the same home, whatever the earlier built. Let us understand. And there will be another method. I wish you to I wish to write public. Why it doesn't return anything? wall painting. Okay, color. So because the three childs have demanded the dad to give the each separate house, but dad says no, beta. So they want to customize their wall color, each home, each child. So I have written another method. See, color. Now is ready. Your home is Singleton. Now come to this. In this, I will create a main method. Okay, till now the no home is built. So dad comes to build the new house with this method using the class name home. See, the dad built home. Okay, now the child one comes and asks for demand new home as I earlier said. So home dot get my dad home. Here this time child gonna ask child one. Okay, initially the dad. Okay, I will make this also static because I don't want to create object. Okay, now home dot get wall painting. So the dad likes um, orange. Let's say orange. Okay, he made every room he painted with orange color. Now the child demands new home, but no. Okay, now the child one can customize it. Okay, he wants the child one wants blue, blue. Okay, now correct. Okay, I will now show you why I printed this child reference variable and that build reference variable. Okay, for instance, I will comment it out and I will run it. Okay, so I have to come here. Here is my main method. I can run. Yeah, that was it. See the orange color and home. You can say this is the hash code that is the address of the class. We can imagine it is a address. Okay. Now the child one asks to build new home. Does the dad will build? The dad is very chalaki. Okay. Now I will run this one. Yeah, proceed. See, does the dad build a new one? No. See the address. You can say the same address only, but the dad said use another room, and the child can uh, customize his own wall paintings. See, he used blue. This is what singles understand.